Rosie, the new engine. Ever since pushing her out of the yard to go on Thomas's branch line, there has been no shunter. But one day, a new green tank engine called Rosie came into the yard. She was small and inexperienced. Meanwhile, Edward was working in the yard. He saw Rosie. "Can you teach me how to shunt?" said Rosie. "Oh, of course. It's easy. Just shunt those trucks over there into that siding over there. Remember, don't bump the trucks too hard." "Oh, okay. That sounds easy, I guess." So she backed up. But she went too fast and bumped into the trucks. Ow. What did you do that for? That's not how you shunt. But I'll show you how to really shunt. So they got to work pushing and pulling. Until the yard was completely clean. "I'm sorry for bumping into the trucks." "Oh, it's okay. Everyone can make mistakes."